go. We're heading back to Singapore for our family trip with the Meyerhofers. Yay! Walang tulog, ang lalim ng eye bags. Pero laban, basta galaan, laban. Mag-stay kami ng 2 nights sa Singapore. And then, magdi-Disney cruise kami sa Singapore Sea. And then, uuwi na kami. Nakakaloka nga kasi ito yung time na disembark yung mga magdi-Disney cruise ship. So, we don't know, we have no idea kung tuloy kami sa May 11. But then again, let's go with the flow! It's Mother's Day and it's my birthday. Welcome back! Hello! Hi everyone! So here's our grab. Hello guys! Sarin! Harper! Look at here, Harper! Concord Hotel, yes. Orchard. 100 Orchard. Kalil, dito ka na lang sa tabi ni Kuya Tash. 631. Over. Oh my God. So nice. There's a bunk bed for you. This is your room with the bunk bed. Oopsie. Wow, may bathtub. Yes. Nako. Sarap. Tarin. Yung chicken mo, may sariling mundo, Kalin. When we go out of the country, the first thing we do is what? Grocery. We do grocery para sa aming room. Marami kami food. Babalik kami sa hotel. Buti nasa city lang kami. Ang ganda ng hotel namin. Tabi lang ng Orchard. Guys, hinahanap ko yung ice cream dito. Wala na. Yung ice cream dito sa Orchard. No more. Halika na mag-McDonald's ice cream na lang. Guys, ito na yung ice cream dito. Ilang taon na to? 20 years, 30 years. You can't leave Singapore without trying this ice cream. Let's go! Wafer. Ayan, Kalel. Ganyan siya. Look.
There you go. Cookies.
Okay, one. Go, cookies. Who wants? Go. One. Next.
Salamat.
Salamat. Sarap. Thank you. Hello. Everyone, let's go. Kayong tatlo sa likod. Sa harap ka na, Kuya Tash. Dito kami ni Dad sa gitna. Harap ka. Welcome to Harry Potter. Sarin, you like it? It's yummy. Go eat. Yan yung food natin.
Parang masikip pa sa
Buha ka pa ng isang table. Yan yung table. Wow! Yum, yum, yum! Ketchup. Whoa! You see the roller coaster? Whoa! Whoa! Ganda, di ba, Arp? Yes! Hello, girlies. Hello, girlie.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in hand. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake and wait. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts run.
Next ride, relax na lang. Hi guys. Relax na yung next ride namin.
We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild.
Cheetah. Is that a cheetah? Oh, there's a crocodile. Look, Sari, look. That's so scary. Oh, there's a lot of stuff inside. There's a lot of, what? Safari animal. Yeah, we don't need to go.
Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna.
Okay, so let's have dinner here. Ah, siya yan. Oh, that's him. For real? Wanna try this? The Starbucks muna break because we're very tired while waiting for the adults. Harper, what's your favorite ride in Universal Studio? Transformers, same with Mommy. And you, Harp,
Ako, Transformer.
ikaw?
Or yung sweet, yung sa taas tayo.
What's that?
Yung tumaas tayo.
What's that?
Yung tayo dalawa, hindi sila dalawa sa likod natin.
Oh, yung ano,
Swing?
yung sa Jurassic Park.
Yung canopy.
Canopy, and your most favorite? I mean, not favorite.
Ako, favorite ko, The Mummy Return.
No way. No way.
The Mummy Return.
That's the worst one.
No, I know.
Anak, close the door,
I
anak.
bet it's good, but it's super scary.
Oh, ikaw, Kalel, favorite mo? Pinaka-hate mo?
Mommy. Hindi yung mommy dahil nakakatakot siya. Nakakatakot siya dahil yung roller coaster niya talaga ay pangit.
May dala daw siya sa letter sa akin.
Happy Mother's and birthday, mommy.
Shortcut. Go.
Thank you for always being with me and being the best teacher. I will always adore and obey you until our last breath. If you're sad, just know you mean a lot to me. I am so grateful to have you in my life, and remember you are my first home, my first BFF, and my first love. Happy 4th birthday.
I love it. Thank you.
I draw you.
Oh, meron pa.
Drenowing niya ako. Wala.
Ayun yung kasulat sa likod.
Hello,
Ang
words.
ganda. Grabe patingin. Hala. Tignan mo, pakita mo kay daddy. Ang galing.
Ganda naman. Kamukha nung nanay niya. Diba? Marami sa likod.
Ang galing naman.
You know?
Hmm?
It's just words.
Yeah.
A letter pa sa kanya. May joke pa. What did the whale say to his mate? I will always love you. Ikaw, what will you tell to mama?
I love you.
I love you. Okay.
I love you, mommy.
Kahit walang letter, basta obedient, okay?